Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix someone else is still using this PC shutdown warning in Windows 11, 10. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Users. Right-click Other User, click Sign Off. Now you can shut down system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.